welcome back to the channel. This is 907 Fantasy Sports channel, and let's just do a little recap. So we hit the free play from today. We had, let's just go over here. We had Chaz Nimrod over 40 receiving yards. He hit that late in the fourth quarter for 54. And then Alyssa Thomas, she hit that as well in the fourth quarter against the Aces. And then we had Chelsea Gray over 4.5 assists, and she blew that out of the water with 10. So we turned 5 and 8 there for a nice free pick win. That's why you want to be over here on the free plays. Make sure to get signed up for that. That is completely free when you go to winnable.com/907fantasysports. So that is a free play. And the weekend pass is still on sale, $20, and that's going to get you all the plays until Sunday or through Sunday, potentially some for Monday as well. So make sure to go over there and get on that. It's $20. The earlier you hop on that, the better it's going to be for you because you're going to have more plays and you're going to make absolutely that money back, 100%. So $20 there. Make sure to go get locked in over there. But VIP went 2 for 3. We can see here we went 2 for 3 on the plays in action. Plus, we have multiple plays that we sent out for tomorrow along with Sunday. So the weekend run is coming. I can feel it. It's going to be a great weekend. So make sure to go over there and get on that. So we had this free play here. And then VIP went 2. We won these 2 plays here. Alyssa Thomas and Asia Wilson. And then Alyssa Thomas and Jackie Young there. So we hit both of those, turning 5 into a 50 for both of those. So make sure to go over here to the Winible. Get on one of the plans. Make sure to get on the free plan. Send out their plays there. Congrats to everybody that was on the $5 Friday plan today. We cashed out. We made some money there. And then the weekend pass for $20 here. So let's go over to PrizePicks and see what we're going to be playing for today for Saturday, October 4th, college football. So I'm loving Baylor in this position against Kansas State. Sawyer Robinson, he loves to just air the rock out there. He's going to be passing the ball. 342 passing yards is his average over the last 5 games. He's hit this line of 224 over 4 of the last 5, so we're going to take him over there. And then we're going to go over here to receiving yards, and we're going to look up. I like Michael Trigg here. I do like Cole Wilson and Josh Cameron. Those are 2 of his favorite targets as well. But sometimes it just depends on who he's favoring that day or who has the better matchup that day of who's getting those yards. So if we look at both of those, Josh Cameron, he's hit that line 3 of the last 5 games. And then Cole Wilson, he's hit this line 2 of the last 5 games. So just kind of depends on who is getting the ball there. But Michael Trigg here, if we take his line here at 24.5, he's hit this in 4 of the last 5 games. He only didn't hit that one the second game of the season here. But he's hit that 62 last game, 71 previous game, averaging 56. So give me 24.5 yards there for Michael Trigg. And then we're going to be looking at Colby Young here. Georgia's going to be playing against Kentucky. They should blow them out of the water. But give me Colby Young over 24.5 receiving yards as well. He's hit this in 5 of the last 5 games. Over 57 is his average over the last 5. They should be playing from ahead. They should be passing the rock to get the game going. I can see him hitting this line in the first quarter or second quarter. But you should hit that easily. So those are 3. And then there's one more that I'm looking at that I like, and it is in the Texas Tech game. So coming down here, I do like Ryan Williams and Jeremy Bernard in this spot as well. But we're going to come down here, and we're looking at Caleb Douglas here. So they're playing up against Houston. Texas Tech is for real. They are a good team. Kind of a sleeper pick, but I do like them a lot. They have a solid team there. So we're going to be looking at him for 24.5 receiving yards as well. He's hit this in 5 of the last 5 games, averaging 68. That's an easy win for us there. That is the official free pick. Sawyer Robinson over 224.5 passing yards. Give me 225. Michael Trigg over 24.5. Give me 25 receiving yards. Colby Young, over 24.5, give me 25. Caleb Douglas, over 24.5, give me 25. That is the official free pick, 5 into 10. We'll lock that in here. Nice double up our money to start out the week. So make sure to go over to PrizePicks, get this locked in, or you can play this on any of the other sites as well. Make sure to get that locked in. Oh, computer slow. Okay, the lineup successfully submitted. We can view that line here of those. That is the official free pick. So you can get that locked in on PrizePicks, or if you guys need on Chalkboard, they're going to give you $20 of free money. You can put $20 on this play when you use code 907fantasy and turn that 20 into 40. You could take all that money out if you wanted, and that's $40 for you to start off Saturday. As well, you can lock it in on Sleeper. They're going to give you $20 of free money there as well. No deposit necessary. They're also going to give you Dak Prescott free line here. So add that to your entries, and that's going to boost your lineup there. So on both of those, use code 907fantasy on Chalkboard and on Sleeper. They're going to match your deposit, or they're going to give you $20 of free money to go ahead and go and play with. So those are the free picks. Make sure to go over here and get on one of the plans. The weekend pass is $20. That's going to end tomorrow, or I'm going to take it down tomorrow, so we don't have everybody on it come Friday or come Sunday. But good luck with all of your plays. Let's go have an amazing Sunday or Saturday for college football, and then Sunday for NFL. Make sure to go like the video, subscribe to the channel down below. That does help me out a lot. And all those links to Sleeper, Chalkboard, BETR, PrizePicks, all of those are going to be down in the description below. So make sure to go get those locked in. And let's go have another amazing day. And good luck with all of your plays. We'll catch you guys tomorrow for some NFL coming up for Sunday. So good luck and peace out.